Okay, so you're probably watching this because you want to learn how to patch a really bad simple program, really crappily programmed program. Wow, that sounds lame. Okay, anyways, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make a really easy program in C++, so we can patch it. Let me just move this. Okay, just wait for it to load now. Blah 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 blah. Let's go to File, File, New, source file. Let's just save it as patch me, please. Okay, let's see. So in yeah, by the way, you should already have pretty basic knowledge of programming. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum bum chow. And see out correct password, you win. Let's just make sure we know what we're doing. 0. And I'm just gonna use a system call. I know I shouldn't, but I will. Should never really use a system call. It's bad luck. Okay, so let's just run this. Yeah, I thought so. Okay, so normally if you hit compile and run, so normally if you would compile and run this, it would just pop up and you'd be able to use it. But for me, my computer likes to be mean, so I'm gonna go open up the file itself. Open, open. Patch me, patch me, patch me, patch me, please. Yes. So it wants us to enter password. Let's say we enter blah, blah, blah. Wrong password. Let's do it again, and if we do something like LOL cats, correct password, you win. So what we're gonna try and do is make it so no matter what you do, like if you enter some random thing like blah 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 blah, it would give you the right password. So to do this, we're gonna open up Ollie debug, whatever you want to call it, and it's right here. Let's rerun it. Voila. File open. Patching, please. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. We have all this assembly, and to find what we need to find, we're gonna right click, search for all reference strings, and we should get all the text that it outputs. Let's click here, right where it says enter your password. So here it says enter password, correct password, wrong password. And normally this wouldn't be here. It's just such a bad program that it's there and it shows you what the password is. We're gonna act like that's not there. So what we're gonna do is it jumps from here to here. And then by filling these jumps with NOPs, I make sure this operation never happens. So NOP stands for no operation. Fill with NOP, and then we can highlight that for good measure. Edit, copy to executable. Exit out of that. And you're gonna get this file change. Click yes, and then rename it like patched program. I should save it to my desktop. And so if you saved your file on your desktop, it should be on your desktop. If it's anywhere else, it should be anywhere else. So we're gonna open up this file, your patch program. You can enter password like blah blah, like let's enter the right password. LOL cats. Correct password. You win. Blah blah blah. Okay, now let's open up again. Let's enter a wrong. This time let's enter a wrong password that we know is wrong. Like wrong password. Blah 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 blah. Correct, you win. And the reason this works is because all programs run near the bottom. And if you go into the debug and you see all the assembly, you see the jump. Every single jump, you fill it with NOPs, so it never happened, no operation. And since it could not check if whatever you entered whatever you inputted into the program is correct or not, matches LOLcats. If AHA does not match LOLcats, it will do something else. But since it can't check that because there's no jump, or it can check it, even if it knows it's wrong, it still has to run down because it can't jump anymore. It can't go to that else function that we had on the program. The else function we had on the program. So it's like bypassing the password. Let's type in something silly like LOLOL. I am so silly. Isn't I? I has bad grammar. Correct password. And that's really all I wanted to show you for right now. I'm gonna have new videos up later. Just my first one.